Understanding Legal Malpractice, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Today we'll be diving into the world of law and exploring what legal malpractice actually means. This is a term you might have heard in movies, news, or even in everyday conversation. But what does it really entail? Let's find out together, ensuring that you, as an English language learner, can fully grasp this concept. Legal malpractice occurs when a lawyer fails to provide the standard of care that is expected of them, resulting in harm or loss to the client. It's not just about making a simple mistake. It's about a lawyer not fulfilling their professional duties adequately. Think of it as a doctor not providing the proper care a patient needs, but in the legal world. To claim legal malpractice, certain elements must be present. 1. Duty. The lawyer must have owed a duty to the client, usually established through an attorney-client relationship. 2. Breach of duty. The lawyer failed to meet the standard of care that is reasonably expected from a competent attorney. 3. Causation. The lawyer's negligence or error directly caused harm or loss to the client. 4. Damages. The client suffered actual harm or loss as a result of the lawyer's actions. Understanding these elements is crucial in recognizing what legal malpractice looks like in real-life scenarios. Let's look at some scenarios where legal malpractice might occur. A lawyer misses a crucial deadline, like the statute of limitations, which results in the client's case being dismissed. An attorney fails to prepare adequately for a trial, resulting in a less favorable outcome for the client. A legal professional doesn't follow the client's instructions or fails to get their consent before making key decisions. These examples help illustrate how legal malpractice can manifest in various ways, affecting the outcome of legal matters. Understanding legal malpractice is essential, not just for those involved in the legal field, but for anyone who seeks to understand their rights and the responsibilities of those who represent them. We hope this video has shed light on what legal malpractice is and why it's such a critical topic in the legal world. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Stay curious and keep learning.